Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-T510W printer driver and download and installation. So open any browser in Google search box to type like that and then go to the browser. Go to this first link which is official website supportbrother.com. Just click on it. Click on it. So different OS also there, mobile, Linux and Mac or Windows also. In the Windows, if you have Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 10 64-bit, 32-bit servers and all. So select which is required on all the installations process same. So then click to OK. So this is a full software pack when driver with the software included in this setup. Okay. So this is only driver. Driver means the printer driver and scanner driver for the USB. Okay. So you can click. So when you click, it will start download. Before you have to agree the terms. Now you can see it is started. Then click on search icon. Now right click to copy, minimize, all minimize, come to desktop, right click, paste. Now again right click, then click to open. So it will create separate folder. You can see this one. Yeah. Then click to start. Setting, Bluetooth and device. Then click to printer and scanners. Then add. So when you click on add, it will show after some time 5-second manual options like this one. Then click on it. Then last, this is install the local and manual. So next. So by default port 1, then next. Now click on have disk, browse. So this is folder which is earlier created, and then open this. Now select this INF file. There are two INF files, you can select any, both same. So then open it. Then click to OK. Now this is your printer T510W printer. Then next. Now this is the printer installing. Then next, finish. So after that, you have to connect the printer to your system, then restart your system and printer also, and then you check print is coming or not. Okay, thank you so much.